Hey guys, actually I need to think of a name for you guys because I really don't have one. But anyway, since everyone's isolating and quarantining, I thought I'd just make a video for all you to watch at home. So let's start with the Pro Base Longwear Foundation by MUA in the colour 181. Now there is a couple MUA products that I'm going to be using, but it's not sponsored, not yet. So using the spatula that it comes with, I'm going to put it on my forehead, underneath my eyes, and I do bring it down a bit further, but that's off camera, as I like to use this foundation as kind of like a base before I do my contour, because the shade is a bit light for me. So I'm just going to be blending it out with my wet blender. Revolution Pro Foundation drops, and this is basically, I think it's like F43 or something, in a darker shade, and I just use this for my contour. So it has like a little dropper, I don't remember what it's called, but I just put it on my cheeks and my forehead, and then I'm just going to be blending that out with the same beauty blender that I used earlier, just to bring a bit of warmth back into my face. Okay, so not to like rant or anything guys, but like I hope you guys are staying in your house and stuff, because I've been seeing a lot of people coming out their house for non-essential activities, and like I want summer guys, don't you?
I can't stop the reason my everlasting king. She was the king of kings. You give my life so beautiful. Look, see me shining now. Look, see me glowing now.
Now that the musical interlude is over, I'm going to be going in with some talcum powder. This is literally just Superdrug's own brand, but like you can use any translucent powder, it works the same. Well, I think so anyway. So I'm just putting that underneath my eyes, going towards the nose bridge just to make it look a bit slimmer, and then I'll be going on my forehead. And my gosh, I actually sing too much. Like, oh wow, okay. I was really feeling the music that day. But yeah, let's go back. So underneath the eyes, on my forehead, and I do a little bit on my nose and my chin. Like the talcum powder making it look like snowing in the background, right? It's not just me. Guys, it's not just me, right? But you can see like the talcum powder making it look like snowing in the background, right? Okay guys, so after doing that, I'm just gonna let it sit on there for a couple of minutes while I dot away. Whoop. And I'm back. Okay, so I've nicely brushed off the talcum powder and I'm just blending it in because sometimes it can make you feel a bit casted. So I'm just blending it a little bit and just making sure I don't have any of that white shadow. Then I'm gonna go in with this cheap mascara. I think it's by Absolute. It's a waterproof mascara. Well, so it says. Just gonna be putting that on. And after that's done, I'm going to be going in with my favorite lip gloss. This is the NYX Butter Gloss. Now, I tried to focus this as much as possible. I don't know how these beauty gurus do it, but literally I could not. But anyway, it's in the shade Praline. And I'm just putting this on my lips. Literally, it's the best like brownish nude for every skin type. Honestly, it's amazing. And the final look. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned as I might give a secret little extra video this weekend. P2